healthy? I'm going to show you how. We're going to make these raw vegan witch's fingers that any kid would love and adults too. So let's get to it. Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. We're here to help you in going more raw to restore energy and immunity. If you're excited about making raw vegan Halloween treats, hit the like button and subscribe. Today we're going to be making witch's fingers. Now what kid wouldn't love that? It is all healthy, no processed anything, and it's going to be delicious. What we'll need is a cup and a half to a cup and 3/4 of nuts. I chose pecans and almonds. You can use any nut of your choice, cashews if you like, macadamia nuts, walnuts, whatever nut you choose. But this is what I had on hand, and this is what I want to use. It's pretty forgiving in what you make, what nut you use. So we're going to pour that in the food processor. Some salt. And we're going to use about a cup of medjool dates. That's going to help bind everything together, give it a good chewy consistency. And then I'm going to put some vanilla in. That just enhances all the flavors. And now, put it in your food processor and let it go. I like to stop about halfway through just to see where we are, see what kind of consistency. Still needs to go a little bit more, but right now it's kind of like that. It's still a little bit too chunky for what we need it for, but it's getting there. So it's starting to hold together, and that's what we want. So we're going to let it go some more. Now it looks like it's getting to the point of where it's almost ready to be taken out. In fact, I think it is ready. When we looked at it before, it was all still just one big pan of nuts and dates. But now, as we process it a little bit more, you can see how it has turned into more of a ball. It's starting to come together, make more of a dough, and that's what you want. And it takes maybe about 3, 4, 5 minutes, depending on how moist your dates are. So now what we're going to do, this is the fun part. We're going to get us a tray here. We're going to make some of these witch's fingers. You just take out a handful of it, or just a little, about like that. Roll it into a finger size. And we're going to lay it down. And we can start shaping it now. We want to shape it to be kind of like a witch's, kind of crooked witch's finger. And then what we're going to do is make an indentation at the end for where the nail bed will be. And we'll do a couple of those to show you what. You can do anything. You want to make your knuckles. That's more like it. Make nail bed, squish it around, make it crooked. And now what we're going to do, all this is here, is some strawberries and some chia seeds. I put about a teaspoon of chia seeds in the strawberries, and I blended it together in the blender. Now, sometimes your strawberries are pretty red, and you're okay. It's okay just to leave it. But this time of year, the strawberries are not as ripe and sweet. So I added some organic beet powder in it. It does not change the taste at all. And believe me, I do not like beets, so I would definitely notice it. But it just gives a nice red color. So now we're going to put some of that on the nail bed, just like that. And for the fingernail, we're going to make and these almonds have been skinned, and it's really easy to do. All you do is you can soak them overnight, and the next morning the skins will be really soft, and you can just pop them right out. If you don't have time for that, or you really want to just go ahead and make them without having to soak your almonds, all you have to do is blanch them. They do not get too hot, but they will kill the enzymes and be no longer raw. All you do is you bring water to a boil, and then you drop your almonds in, and then you let it go for exactly 30 seconds. And when the 30 seconds is up, you take them and put them immediately into ice water. I drain them in a strainer real quickly, and then put the nuts right into ice water. And that stops the cooking, and then all you do, you literally take your almond and just squeeze it, and just be sure it'll shoot across the room if you're not careful. I've done that before. So just squish it in and squeeze it, and it'll pop right into your cup, and it'll come off real easily. So here's another. Now, what kid or even adult would not love to eat some of these yummy fingers? So, and you put them in the refrigerator. They are very healthy. Put them in the refrigerator, let them set up, and then just let them set up for a while, and then you just put them on a tray, and there you go. Let me know in the comments what Halloween treat you'd like to see made in a healthy way. I'm always up to the challenge. So here you have it, our completed witch's fingers. Comment below if you have other Halloween treats you'd like us to try to make in a healthy way for you. We have some things for you too in the description below. Other Halloween treat videos and a free Halloween recipe book. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your very best health yet. Happy Halloween!